Hi, my name is Winter Raman. In this video, we're gonna talk about what you need to get started as a web developer. Whether you're looking to build basic websites, advanced web apps, or even just curious about coding, this video will help you take your first steps. Trust me, it's not as hard as it might seem, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to begin. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about the basic tools you'll need. A computer. You don't need a super fancy machine to get started. A basic computer with at least 4 gigs of RAM, a decent processor will do the trick. If you can go for an 8 gigs of RAM or more, it will help when you're running multiple programs. Next, you'll need a text editor or an IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment, to write your code. For beginners, I recommend starting with Visual Studio Code. It's free, easy to use, and has tons of extensions that can help you code more efficiently. You will also need a good web browser. Chrome and Firefox are great choices, and they come with developer tools that allow you to inspect your code and debug issues directly in the browser. These tools will become your best friend as you start building and testing your projects. Now, let's talk about the essential languages you should start learning. HTML and CSS. These are the building blocks of the web. HTML is used to structure your web pages, and CSS is used to style them. Think of HTML as the skeleton of a website and CSS as the skin that makes it look good. There's a lot you can do with just these two, so they are a great place to start. Now let's talk about JavaScript. Once you're comfortable with HTML and CSS, it's time to add some interactivity with JavaScript. JavaScript allows you to create dynamic content like slideshows, forums that respond to user input, and even complex web applications. It's a versatile language that you'll use in almost every web project. Now that you've got the tools and a roadmap for the essential languages, you're well on your way to becoming a web developer. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, so don't be afraid to take things one step at a time. In the next video of this series, we'll dive deeper into these languages and start building your first web page together. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you have any question or need help getting started, drop a comment below. We're here to support you on this journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.